Welcome sa atong paigayon nga exhibit na entitled #Throwback Thursday ni Ate Richie Pulver. Now, for the opening remarks, I now call on Professor Dennis Montera.
Ayong gabi kang atong tanan. Saglit na lang ko kay medyo mantay kuan kanang sound system. Pero una-una ko pag-congratulate ang atong exhibiting artist, no other than Richie Pulvera. Of course, I would like you to join also in giving a round of applause to the family and parents, especially to the parents of Richie who are here. Just very briefly lang, no? Si Richie, nakita ninyo, especially those to the fine arts, nga iligi ka na siya mo drawing of mga tao, mga figures, maayo ka na siya, anak. I'm sure you agree. Pero when the event of ITSIS came forward as a problem to be solved aesthetically, ni go beyond si Richie anang two-dimensional lang. And what made her rise in terms of talent and creativity was she explored the possibility nga himuon niya three-dimensional lang niya ang mga figures. Yeah, very impressive because she went back to a time wherein she was just having fun. In other words, back to basics ang iyahang gipanghimo ng mga artworks. These are images of children playing, and as we finally open the exhibit, I hope you go around and interact, just like the artworks interacting with nature. Makita ninyo nga they're very playful and they're really magnificent works of art by an upcoming artist such as Richie. And I believe that your presence here is proof of the talent that Richie has. And of course, your support to Richie through the years. You are graduating, Richie, right? Dahil pa, napay-go-hikuan. But hopefully, she will finish her studies and become one of the new artists in the community, especially in the field of three-dimensional art. So, for tonight, we celebrate the artists, we celebrate the arts. In behalf of the University of the Philippines Cebu Fine Arts Program, we welcome you to Throwback Thursday.
Fighter!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for coming here tonight. My first solo art exhibition, and I would like to thank God first Dadayon di siya. And second, to my family and support sa mga, especially sa thesis. Then to all the FA professors and hi, Miss Chu. Then thank you, Sir Carl, Sir Sean, and Sir Raymond Fernandez for all the learnings you've shared since I was in first year until karon. And to my friends, my overnighter friends, my pack of wolves, and thank you Gumagomas for helping me.
I'm just okay, right?
Thank you Paso for helping me for making this exhibit possible. Thanks everyone, and enjoy to my